Hi everyone, welcome to How to Cook in an Easy Way. Today, we remaking a soft and moist chocolate cake that's perfect for every home. Whether you in the USA, UK, India, or anywhere in the world. Ingredients. Let's start with the ingredients. They're simple and easy to find. On-screen list with quantity. 1-3 Step 1. Mix. Dry ingredients. In a big bowl, mix flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir well. Step 2. Add wet ingredients. Add eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla. Mix until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Boiling water. Now, slowly pour in boiling water while mixing. The batter will be thin. That's exactly what we want. Step 4. Bake. Pour the batter into a greased pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Add tip box. Use an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a toothpick to check. It should come out clean. Step 5. Cool and decorate. Let it cool completely. Then you can frost it with chocolate cream, ganache, or enjoy it just like this. And that's it. Your perfect homemade chocolate cake. Easy, delicious, and loved by everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. USA, UK, India, Pakistan? We'd love to hear from you.